Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by setting the team goal. Eliminate roaming so lanes stay stable. First, lock roles, designate a full-time laner, mid, and jungle. Avoid picking a roamer. Then communicate immediately. State no roam and assign wave and objective timers. Once done, set vision and wards at 0, 30, and 130. Make sure the jungler focuses farm routes. You do this to force predictable map pressure and reduce ganks, which makes lane control and gold distribution more reliable for the team. You now enforce the plan during mid-game by controlling rotations and vision. Once lanes stabilize, have laners freeze or push to deny roam openings and ping timers for minion waves. This prevents spontaneous roaming. Make rotations conditional. Only move when the objective is clear, like a tower or turtle, and rotate with at least one teammate. Also, place wards in river and jungle entrances to detect solo moves. These actions reduce chaos and maintain consistent gold and experience across teammates. You finish the match by grouping for objective control and avoiding solo chases that recreate roam scenarios. Make sure to clear vision before engages and use grouped initiation. This prevents a single player from breaking formation. If someone still tries to roam, assign a responsive mobile hero to shadow them and call for immediate pings. If the issue persists across games, reset your draft strategy and enforce strict role locks and communication next match. This is the simplest fix to stop recurring roaming behavior.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.